To see the comments you've made in the Rednote app, that is your interactions where you've commented, posts you've commented on, you can simply open the Rednote app. Now we have two ways to see our comments. The first method is to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner, and then you're going to see the option My Comments. So you go ahead and tap on it. So it's going to display the various posts you have commented on. So I've commented on this post for the past 3 hours. Now if you want to delete any of the comments you've made, what to do is to simply tap on the comment itself and you see the option delete. So when you tap on it, you're going to delete the comments completely. But if you want to visit the post to maybe continue conversation with this person or to see more of that post, just simply tap on the comments and it will take you to the post directly. So you see your comment in there and you also follow up to see what other people are saying about this very post. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. That's your own way of supporting me. Thank you for your support and I'll see you in my next video. Later.